Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add inspirational pictures to your saved ideas section on the room planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Find Ideas icon down below, which is the second option. Scroll down in order to find and browse among these inspirational ideas and pictures that other artists have created or posted about their work. So if you find any of these interesting, just simply tap on the Save button below the picture itself, and now you have added this picture to your saved ideas section. You can check this section by tapping on the home icon and then click on Saved Ideas at the top, which is the third option. Here you can see all of the items that you have added to this section. So if you want to see more of them, just simply tap on a relevant picture. And if you want to remove any of these items, just simply click on the Save button, and now you will be able to see that this idea has been removed from this section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.